Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, January 29th, 2019. We have a lot to talk about, so let's dive right into it. Well, we have an area of snow showers that is currently developing around the Delaware River Valley. Now, these snow showers are out ahead of our main cold front that will be causing some mischief for tonight. But these snow showers are producing some dusting, maybe an inch of snow in a few isolated locations. Now, this will start to collapse. As this collapses, we'll continue to see the southeasterly winds. Look for overcast skies throughout the day and temperatures rising to the upper 30s to lower 40s, lower to mid 40s on the coast, upper 30s to lower 40s in the Delaware River Valley, mid to upper 30s over the interior. So we're going to be rising above freezing. Then this cold front starts to press east, and that's when things get very interesting. When we take a look at the radar again from let's see, this is from Penn State University. Pretty cool radar. Again, you can see this band right here, it's marching through. It's going to start to collapse, and then we're going to start to see this new band start to take over as a wave of low pressure develops. On the satellite picture, you can see it's pretty much going to be cloudy all day, that is for sure. So no real big deal there. But when we look at the expansive view, look what's starting to develop here around the Tennessee River Valley. Now, this cold front will push to the east, but start to get slowed down because of a wave of low pressure that starts to form. As that low pressure system develops, we'll see snow start to intensify over eastern Pennsylvania, and then basically as this low pressure system's lifting northeast through Long Island and into southern New England, we're going to see a band of heavy snow march east like a strong cold front, with temperatures crashing and snow accumulation as a result. And so on our surface map, you can see pretty much here's our cold front. Our wave of low pressure will start to develop right around here by the time we get to around noon, and then that's going to continue to lift up to the northeast. The primary low pressure system will remain with this low pressure system, and that's an important indication for you because it tells you the rate in which the precipitation shield can expand and why we're kind of limiting the snowfall totals here in this setup. So this is pretty much what we're expecting. Along the coast, a trace to an inch of snow. Don't be surprised to see some rain showers mixed with snow at times for this afternoon and evening. As we move on through the evening, that rain-snow mix will change over to snow, especially as you get past 10 p.m. Look for all of this to really start to really organize by about 4 p.m. and then continue on through the evening. By the time we get to 4 a.m., everyone's done. So this is a fast-moving low-pressure system. So again, a trace to an inch along the coast, pretty much via that rapid changeover from rain over to snow, and then it's done. A little bit further to the west here, especially back towards the Philadelphia metro, the snow hangs on a little bit longer. The transition happens a little bit faster because these locations are just to the north and west of the low pressure track. So you get about 1 to 3 inches of snow in these locations. Then further north and west towards the interior, basically the Hudson River Valley, northwestern New Jersey, and also northeastern Pennsylvania, especially around the Poconos, looking at 3 to 6 inches of snow because of several factors. One, it's going to be snowing longer in these locations. 2, it's going to be colder, so the snow ratio is higher. And 3, we're going to see that intensification for a very short period of time, maybe an hour or two, of some heavy snowfall in these locations. So 3 to 6 inches looks pretty reasonable. If this was hanging on a little bit longer, because this is all done by midnight, then we'd be talking about the 6 to 12 inch snowfall totals, which are further north. And again, this is mostly due to the fact that the temperatures will be crashing through the 20s and teens, will be well below freezing at 850 millibars to mid-levels, so your snow ratio is a lot higher, and so that's going to push your potential to go over 6 inches, and as you head up towards New England, possibly touching 12 inches. So, diving into this forecast for today. Rain and snow showers developing, becoming widespread towards evening. Temperatures rising into the lower to mid-40s along the coast. Upper 30s to lower 40s in the Delaware River Valley. And mid to upper 30s over the interior. For tonight, our low pressure system tracks along the coast through Long Island and towards southern New England, with rain changing to snow along the coast and snow continuing over the interior. By the time we get to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, everyone's clearing out and everyone's very chilly with lows in the upper teens to lower 20s. Watch out for black ice. You have temperatures freezing, well below freezing, and you have any type of wet surface, that's going to lead to ice. So definitely watch out for that. It's not going to get much warmer either. By the time we get to the afternoon hours, a cold front will be moving through, so there is a threat for a snow squall. Snow squalls can reduce visibility below a mile and produce a very heavy snowfall for a very short period of time. Let's say about 15 to 35 minutes. That can lead to a rapid accumulation of a dust into an inch, so definitely watch out for that while you're traveling. Temperatures rising into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Thursday, brutally cold. High pressure in control, so it's going to be clear. But it's going to be very, very cold out there with lows in the single digits below zero to single digits above zero. High temperatures in the single digits to mid-teens. It's not going to feel good out there. So definitely bundle up and use some caution. On Friday, a little bit warmer. High pressure over the region with clear skies. Lows in the single digits, highs in the upper teens to lower 20s, mid-20s along the coast. On Saturday, gets a little bit warmer. We're going to have temperatures ranging from the upper teens to lower 20s. Highs, by the time we get to the afternoon, the upper 30s to lower 40s as this high pressure system pushes off the coast. Watch out for some areas of fog. I'm watching that very carefully for Saturday evening on through Sunday. As high pressure pushes off the coast, we get a southwesterly wind and temperatures jump into the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s on the coast and mid 50s everywhere else. So if you have any snowpack on the ground or just a frozen ground with this warm air moving over, it is a threat for some, at the very least, very cloudy skies and the potential for some locally dense fog. On Monday, look for a cold front to approach with scattered showers, lows in the lower to mid 30s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. On Tuesday, another area low pressure will approach with scattered showers. Look for lows in the lower 40s and highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. As always, stay safe out there.